The next rōpū is the Te Puni Kōkiri Kapahaka. Kapahaka gives the Puni Kōkiri staff a means of unlocking and realising Māori potential. Within the organisation, the group provides an energetic and vibrant addition to pōwhiri and other functions for staff and or manuhiri. The rōpū also provides support for the Minister of Māori Affairs, the Chief Executive, and for a range of functions. Tonight's rōpū consists of members from across the organisation as well as extended whānau. And there's a reason I'm taking my shoes off, whānau. Okay, so please, homai nā te pakipaki mo te rōpū o te Puni Kōkiri.
Let's go!
Te Tiwi, Tisura, ko te Puni Kōkiri. Sorry, but unfit. So, beside me is one of the ladies who kept our rōpū together, kept us going along like a well-oiled machine. Just introduce yourself to all our whānau e hoa.
Kia ora whānau, ko Melanie Fraser Tukuingoa, no Hauraki ahau. I'm an analyst in the awesome Cultural Directorate, which he's also part of, for TPK. And we were lucky enough tonight to have some whānau along with us from Maru Tawhiti, just a few of them, but they're amazing. Awesome energy to bring into our rōpū.
So how long have we been practicing?
One practice a week for the last couple of months, but in the last week we've stepped it up a little bit.
You found with having the help of our whānau from Maru Tawhiti, they've helped to kind of polish us up a bit more?
Little bit of competition, but not really. No. They bring a whole nother element to our performance, so we've really appreciated having them come in and support us.
I think we'd make a good 20th row in Maru Tawhiti Kapahaka rōpū. So kia ora to them for helping us. Where's the inspiration come for the... I feel funny asking you this, but I have to. Where's the inspiration come for the bracket we did tonight?
Some of us threw it out to our kapahaka and said, what waiata or what haka, do you really remember doing part of our, as part of your kapahaka career that a lot of us have had, and that's how they came together, and it was just awesome that they came from different parts of Aotearoa, it just worked out really well like that.
Anyone in particular you want to thank this evening?
I'd like to thank the MC, Leith Comer, our CE, for supporting us. He supported us for a long time, and this was also for him, to thank him for his support over the many years. A lot of our kapahaka couldn't be here due to other commitments, so them, our Maru Tawhiti crew, and just everyone that supported us along the way.
Choice. Mel Fraser, thank you very much for being with us tonight from Te Puni Kōkiri. Please hold my te paki for Melanie Fraser. I'll put my shoes on soon.